Accelerators, CIM, finance subject area, model diagrams, payment. Here you can see payments in model diagram in CIM, finance subject area in accelerators. Activities to trace to financial information in a company, for example, payment, invoice, and expense report. The following diagram show entities and relationships in this subject area organized by entity group. Here you can see capture payment and refund payment are within payment, and you can see status pending, settled, and void. Here the SF score is refund and SF score payment here, and here the payment SF score none, and here the payment group have zero or many payment authorization, and zero good, and also has zero or more payments, and payment authorization has payment one and only one payment group, or one and only one sales order payment summary. And here the payment authorization has one and only one payment gateway, and payment gateway has zero or more payment authorization, and the payment gateway has is associated with zero or more payment authorization, and here the payment is associated with can have payment has one and only one payment group, or one and only one sales order payment summary. Here the payment authorization has one and only one payment method, and payment method has zero or more payment authorization, and here the payment group has zero or more payments, and sales order payment summary can have has zero or more payments, and here the payments has one and only one payment method, and payment method has zero or more payments, and here the payment method has one and only one payment type, for example credit card PayPal. Here the payment type can have payment type has zero or more payment methods, and here the sales order payment summary has is here the sales order payment summary contains sales order, and sales order has zero or more sales order summary, and here the payment has one and only one payment gateway, and payment gateway has zero or more payments, and here the payment gateway has zero or one system credential, and system credential has zero or more payment gateway, and here the payment gateway has one and only one payment gateway provider, and payment gateway provider has zero or many payment gateways, and here the payment has one and only one payment treatment. Payment treatment has zero or more payments, and payment treatment contains payment policy. Payment policy has zero or more payment treatments, and payment treatments has one and only one payment treatment method, and payment treatment method has zero or more payment treatment, and payment treatment has one and only one legal entity, and legal entity has zero or more payment treatment, and here the legal entity has one and only one internal business unit, and internal business unit has 0 or 1 legal entity. Internal business unit has 0 or more payments, and payment has one in business unit. And here the payment has 0 or 1 account, and account has 0 or many payments. And payment contains payment authorization, and for payment authorization, capture payment contains payment authorization, and payment authorization has 0 or more capture payments. Here the payment authorization has 0 or more payment gateway authorization log, and payment authorization log contains payment authorization, and here the payment authorization has payment authorization reversal, 0 or more payment authorization reversal. Payment authorization reversal contains payment authorization. Here the capture payment has 0 or more payment authorization reversal, and payment authorization reversal has 0 or 1 capture payment. And here the capture payment, payment contains payment has 0 or more payment gateway payment log, and payment gateway payment log contains payment. Here the payment gateway authorization log, and payment gateway payment log, and payment gateway authorization reversal log in payment gateway interaction log. Here the capture payment contains 0 or more payment application, and payment application contains capture payment. Payment invoice application and payment credit memo application are in payment application, and payment invoke application has one and only one invoice, and invoice has 0 or more payment invoice applications. Payment invoice application has 0 or more payment invoice allocation, and payment invoice allocation contains payment invoice application. Here the payment credit memo application has 0 or more payment credit memo allocation, and payment credit memo allocation contains payment credit memo application. And here the payment allocation has 0 or 1 payment allocation, and payment allocation has 0 or more payment allocation. And here the payment credit memo application has one and only one credit memo, and credit memo has 0 or more payment credit memo application. Here the capture payment has 0 or more refund payment allocations, and refund payment allocation has one and only one capture payment. And here the refund payment has 0 or more refund allocation, and refund allocation contains refund payment. And here the refund payment allocation and refund credit memo allocation are in refund allocation, and refund credit memo allocation has one and only one credit memo, and credit memo has 0 or more refund credit memo allocation. Refund allocation has 0 or more refund allocation, and refund allocation has 0 or 1 refund allocation. Here the internal business unit has 0 or more payments, and payment has 1 internal business unit, and internal business unit has 0 or 1 one legal entity, and legal entity has 0 or 1 legal entity, and legal entity has only one business unit. Here the account has 0 or many payments, and payment has 0 or 1 account. Now this is the end of my presentation. Thank you very much for watching it.